Okay, guys, confession time. Last week, I picked up my phone to reply a WhatsApp message and somehow ended up watching 5 cooking tutorials, scrolling through random memes, and even watching top 10 habits of billionaires. An hour later, the message still unsent. If you've ever been in this moment, the struggle is real, right? Come closer. Let's fix this. Hey Onyx Tribe, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be talking about something we all want to talk about: how to balance tech and real life. Because let's be honest, our phones are amazing, but they can also feel like a small tiny machine that steals away our time. I realized something needed to change when I started feeling overwhelmed. Like I was constantly checking my phone, scrolling, replying messages, and scrolling. But I really did not get anything done. And I know I'm not the only one that feels this way. So today, I've come to share some tips that have helped me reclaim my time and my sanity without giving up on the tech that we all love. Alright, let's get into the good stuff. So there are practical things that I have used that have worked for me, and I hope it will work for you too. 1. Set clear boundaries. So set boundaries with your tech. For example, I started turning off notifications for non-essential apps. You don't need to know about all the likes, the comments, the memes as they drop at the moment. Trust me, they will still be there later. 2. Create tech-free zone. Create spaces or times where tech is off limits. For me, it's my meal time. No scrolling, no texting, no emailing. Just me and my food. You'll be so surprised how much more enjoyable it is actually if you taste your meal. 3. Schedule screen-free time. So I also started scheduling screen-free time. For example, I take an hour before my bedtime to actually read a book. An actual book, not an e-book. Because let's face it, staring at the screen is still staring at a screen, no matter how many pages you flip. This has done wonders to my sleep and my peace of mind. 4. Use tech to your advantage. Let your phone help you. Use features or apps like Do Not Disturb. I use one of these apps that locks me out of social media for the longest time that I want to. It's tough love, true, but it works. A couple of apps that can help you include Forests, Freedom. So Forest helps you grow a tree as long as you stay off social media, while Freedom locks you out of apps or sites for a certain period of time. So those are my tips for balancing tech with life. Which one would you try first? Or do you have a secret trick? Let me know in the comment. I would love to hear them. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips and good vibes. See you later in my next video. Bye guys. Ciao ciao.